Okay, so just in case anybody needed to see it, this is a prime example of what I'm talking about. Um, and I'm going to be frank with you. I trade off of technicals. I don't do a whole lot of stuff off of fundamentals. And this price action here over the past, I'd say even 3 days maybe, um, that's kind of beyond the scope of where I'm at right now with my analysis. A move like that doesn't happen just randomly due to technicals, right? You see how large this bar is and how long the tail is on both sides. It's just kind of a weird shape. And that happens whenever there's systemic risk, whenever there's um, things going on with interest rates and manipulation in the markets that I theoretically understand, but do I understand it enough to trade it? Not necessarily. Whenever I want to take risk, um, on a direction in the stock market, I use options. I don't do it here in Forex. Um, you guys might, and I'm sure there's people out there who are absolutely killing it right now because of the volatility. But all this kind of looks like don't trade it. That's what it says to me, in the language that I understand. So if I look at this, there's a lot going on. And sometimes the best thing to do is to kind of wait. You see this bar, and as soon as this bar prints, it's kind of like, all right, let's kind of chill out. Because if I say I actually wanted to trade this, and I thought it was going to be a pullback situation, even if I shape this up reasonably or I put in a really safe stop loss, the tail of the candle screwed me up there, and I would have got stopped out, no doubt. Anybody would have got stopped out if they had that set up that way. If they, you know, on the one hand, if they would have said this is going to be a short, then obviously they probably would have hit a profit target of some sort. But that's not conducive for any kind of setup that I actually trade with any kind of probability. So there you go. This is an example of why. I know a lot of people are going to be asking why I don't touch the markets whenever they're volatile like this. This is the reason. Uh, Bars like this that lead to just frustration and confusion. So until I get to where I can start taking positions based on fundamental analysis, or I feel like I want exposure here, um, options aren't good enough, whatever, that's what I'll be doing. But yeah, just wanted to make this real quick little video as to why. All right, peace.